Hi guys, a little while back I took this SD card apart because it was no longer recognised by my computer. Just have a look inside, and there really wasn't anything much to look inside at, just this card, a card inside a card. Looking at it on the microscope, we could see the tracks on it, but there was really nothing to look at other than that. Today I was destroying this one to get rid of it. It's an older card. Doesn't appear to have a branding label on it. Oh, there is some writing there. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, I can't quite make out what it says on there. Anyway, I started destroying this one, and when I got the back off it, I could see it was quite different. This is older technology. So if we can get it out, oh, it's very thin. We'll pop this one under the microscope and have a closer look at it. Because this is what I was expecting to find in that one. Obviously, technology's moved on a bit. Is that going to come out? Yeah. Yeah, that's sort of what I was expecting. I'm purely guessing that that might be the memory and that's the control. We've got a couple of little surface mount components there. So we'll pop that under the microscope, this one, and we'll record it on my computer. So we'll start recording there, and then I'll pop this up on the side of the screen somewhere so we can see what we're looking at. So, right, I'll keep talking, and as I say, over here somewhere on this side of the screen, I'll actually put the video that I'm watching on the screen now. In fact, I'll just move the camera a bit. That should give us a little bit more space over this side. So I'm now recording. I'm looking at the fingers, the gold fingers, contacts. Not a lot to see there. Then we've got the tracks on the back of the board. Again, not a lot to look at, but I just like to get the microscope out and see what we can see. We've got some numbers there. D7F for Freddy, 97, F9, brackets 1. And above that, 8/8, 1/15. I'm just going to turn that right the way round and look at it again so it's the right way up for me. Yeah, okay, that's looked at that side of it. So we'll turn it over, see what we've got on this side. Oh, we can see there's some writing there. Let's try it at an angle. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Yeah, just needed to look at it at a bit of an angle so the light doesn't glare so much. So there we go. Toshiba, Taiwan, J5792, 0730AD TH58NVG 4D4 CTG10. Okay. No idea what any of that means. Anything on that blob? Nope, it's just a black blob. And those look like little capacitors. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to see there. We can just see if there's anything written on the back of that case I was on about. SD M02G 0733 SP5032U, made in Taiwan. And got the CE there. And that's it. I think that's all we can see. Let's stop recording before I forget to stop recording. Yeah. Okay, so there's a bit more interesting in that one than there was in that one. And that's just how technology has moved on. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.